Now let's talk about something special, the benefits of crafting your own X-Mix door wreath. Every home tells a story and your front door is the first page of it. When you hang a handmade wreath, you are not just decorating, you are welcoming peace, creativity and festive energy into your piece. Creating a door wreath is an act of mindfulness. As you touch the jute rope, glue pine cones, or arrange the greenery, your mind shows down. You start focusing on the rhythm of your hands. Creating a door wreath is an act of mindfulness. As you twist this jute rope, glue pine cones, or arrange the greenery, your mind slows down. You start focusing on the rhythm of your hands. Wrapping, tying, decorating, and at those quiet moments, stress melt away. It's amazing how something as simple as crafting can help you feel created, calm, and round. Every wreath becomes a reflection of you, your taste, your creating, you care. In there, another side, every wreath becomes a reflection of you, your taste, and your creativity, you care. It's amazing how something as simple as crafting can help you feel centered, calm, and proud. And there's another side to it, the social and emotional benefits. A handmade wreath on your door spreads joy to neighbor and visitors. It says, "Welcome, you are valued here." That simple decoration can spark smiles, conversation, and a feeling of warmth that store bought decor rarely gives. For those running a small craft business, wreaths are also one of the most profitable handmade decoration. Hope you're enjoying these ideas and design. There are easy, customized, rustic, elegant, minimal of colorful, and people love buying something crafted with heart. With just a few dollar tree materials, you can create wreath that looks like boutique pieces and sell them for a great return. And finally, the best benefits of all, personal satisfaction. When you see your own wreath hanging proudly on the door, glowing with fairy lights and holiday spirit, you know that you made the joy happen. That's the real magic of crafting, turning simple materials not only something meaningful. So whether you are crafting for relaxing decoration or a little extra income, a handmade Xmas decor wreath is a perfect place to start. So whether you are crafting for relaxation, decoration, or a little extra income, you can create a beautiful wreath at your home and you can sell it very profitable margin. Okay, in this festival season, everybody wants this. Every in this holiday season, everybody wants a beautiful decor ideas. Let's create something timeless, a beautiful handmade X-Mix wreath that brings warmth, breeze, and festive charm to your home. You will need just a few simple things from Dollar Tree: a wreath base, burlap ribbon or jute rope, pine cones, greenery, and a few ornaments or berries. Start by wrapping the base with your ribbon or jute rope slowly, carefully, mindfully. This step alone feels relaxing, almost the meditation. Then glue your pine cones, greenery, and grey ornaments around the ring, balancing each piece with love and care. Finally, add a bow or a touch or fairy lights to make it glow with X-Mix spirit. Now take a step back. Look at what you have made. From just a few simple materials, you have created something that tells a story. A wreath isn't just decoration, it's a symbol of welcome, love, and unity. Every time someone walks through your door, this handmade wreath says you are home. Crafting a wreath also brings mindfulness and calm your thoughts, reduces stress, and helps you stay in a moment, something you all